So today we're going to talk you through the Luxx Pro 645 watt LED. If you're a big Instagram user, you'll know why Luxx lighting gear is in so much demand, as it's a big favourite among the world's most popular online growers. This particular unit's designed to max out a 1.2 metre square grow space. It's built with 6 separate bars to give it a super even spread, and it's fitted with Samsung and OSRAM LEDs, which are known to be among the best in the industry. There are no internal fans, so it runs silently, and it's IP66 rated, so you can grow with complete peace of mind, knowing that it's going to be resistant to any accidental splashes. Naturally, you're going to pay a higher price for an LED like this than a typical HPS system, but in the long run you'll save a ton of cash. You'll get 54,000 hours out of this unit, giving you monster crops for over 12 years on a 12-12 cycle, and without needing to invest in extra lamps or reflectors. At 2.67 micromoles per watt, it's super efficient, and it's going to squeeze every last bit of light possible from the power that it consumes, giving you great value for money. The 5-year manufacturer's warranty means that in the unlikely event of an issue, you can get your unit repaired or replaced. With the separately available NX1, you can control up to 80 of these units from a central point and take advantage of a list of features, including auto dim, auto shutdown, and sunrise sunset mode. For more information, check out our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.